What we're driving through now is one of those rare instances of grasslands that are protected. These relatively large contiguous blocks of land are just critical for us to understand how grasslands function. And if we don't understand how they function, we really can't protect them. And if we can't protect them, we're going to lose them. We're about 60 miles south and southeast of Tucson. I'm Linda Kennedy. I'm the director of the Appleton Hotel Research Ranch of the National Audubon Society. I drove into the research ranch on an August evening during monsoon season. The roads were muddy, the clouds were in the sky, the wind was rolling, and I looked around and I fell in love with the research ranch. I thought it was one of the most beautiful places on earth. I was hooked. I still am hooked, almost 20 years later. Resolution Copper, as a partner here on the research ranch, has been instrumental in facilitating habitat for wildlife, especially. We have about 450 species of native plant. But look out here. If we were to walk across that way, I would probably be able to point out 15 to 20 species of grass before we'd get 50 feet from the road here. Grasslands are very important to humans because it's where we live. It's where most of our food is raised or comes from. But we as humans have also disrupted grasslands incredibly. This was the Elgin Hereford Cattle Ranch, a couple named Frank and Ariel Appleton, and their family ranched here. And they said, you know, what we need isn't another small cattle ranch. We need a place to see what would happen if the cows come off. So in 1968, they sold their cattle herd and opened the place up to selected research. All of our different partners in the research ranch were all pulled together for the central theme of protecting grasslands and studying those grasslands. And that's very unique, and it just wouldn't happen if it wasn't a collaborative effort. What that cooperation does is we can leverage each other's strengths and really do the best job we can at protecting this chunk of grassland. And it's very easy to think, okay, they're so isolated, they're way on out there, nothing is encroaching on them. But look as we pull up here. What do you see out ahead of there? Homes, vineyards, businesses. That's development. We like to live in areas like this. And if we're not careful, we'll love them to death.